Right guys, we're going to take apart and reassemble the Pro 5000 for once you've cleaned it. So first off, we're going to take off the air cap and the air cap ring. Then your nozzle using a spanner. And the air distributor. The air distributor plate and the fan adjustment ring, which the air distributor plate will come out. You have your fan seal, which sits in the gun there. That also comes out. Then your needle, which comes out by unscrewing your fluid control here. Pull the trigger back, giving you more purchase on the needle. And your blanking cap, which will either be on the top or the bottom, that needs to come off as well. So now that we've got the gun apart, you have to make sure that you clean all these parts separately, especially the blanking cap, as the material will fall through into there when you're using the gun in gravity. So it's important that you put this gun together a certain way. If you don't on the first 4 stages, then you won't be able to alter your fan size. So first off, you put your fan adjustment seal in. This has a tapered edge, has a wider edge one side than it does the other. So you want to put the thinner side into the gun with the wider edge looking towards you. You then have the fan adjustment ring. It has 2 slits here and here. They need to sit at 12 and 6 in line with the gun. Making sure that you leave the hole there exposed on the right hand side. You then put on your air distributor plate. Again, with the 2 slits at the top and bottom, they need to sit at 12 and 6 on top of the other plate, making sure that the hole lines up with the hole behind the fan adjustment ring. You then put on your air distributor. So you have the pin there, that lines up with the hole that you've kept exposed. Then your nozzle. Making sure that you put it on nice and tight. And your air cap and air cap ring. Making sure that's on nice and tight as well. Blanking cap. And then your needle. And then finally your fluid adjustment and spring. So with your Pro 5000, you will have a small bottle of oil. That's to help keep the moving parts of the gun lubricated. So it can go here on your air control and behind the trigger here on your air valve bushing. If there's anything else you're struggling with, please get in contact with us at Abode. Cheers guys.